Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a really cool topic that is data visualization tools. These tools help us turn boring numbers into really cool pictures that help us make better decisions. In this presentation, we are going to check out some really useful data visualization tools and talk about why they are awesome. Basically, we'll learn how these tools make information easier to understand and help us spot important trends and patterns. Alright, now let's start off with the basics of data visualization. So, what exactly is it? Well, it's like turning boring numbers and words into cool pictures like charts and graphs. Why does this matter? Because these visuals help us spot important stuff like trends or patterns way easier and quicker. And guess what? They're not just for big companies. Everyone from small businesses to huge corporations can use these tools to make better decisions based on data. It's like turning numbers into pictures that tell a story. Alright, now let's focus on Tableau, a super powerful tool for visualizing data. Think of it like a magical pen that turns your boring numbers into captivating, interactive pictures. Businesses love it because it's easy to use and packs a punch with its features. It's like having a toolbox full of tricks for making data look amazing. What makes Tableau stand out? Well, it offers tons of amazing stuff like interactive dashboards. Think of them like control panels for your data, and it can also show real time information. Plus, it plays nice with different types of data, like databases or spreadsheets, letting you mix and match to create mind blowing visuals. Basically, Tableau is the secret weapon for businesses to unlock powerful insights from their data. Now, let's talk about another amazing tool that is Power BI. Imagine it as a super useful tool from Microsoft for analyzing business stuff. It's like having a superpower that helps you gather information from everywhere and turn it into stunning reports and dashboards. What makes Power BI awesome? Well, it's got all these cool features that lets you play around with data. You can make your own interactive dashboards and even dig deeper into details by filtering or zooming into the most tiniest of stuff. Plus, it's like a master at teamwork. It plays well with other Microsoft tools and outside apps too. So it's like the glue that sticks all your different data sources together to create a big picture of what's happening in your business. Now let's explore Google Data Studio. It's a free tool by Google that's like your art studio for data. It's a place where you can connect different data sources and create awesome interactive dashboards and reports. And the best part, you can share these creations with others really easily. What's cool about Google Data Studio? Well, first off, it's got this real time magic that updates your visuals as data changes. Plus, you can make it look and feel like your own by adding your own brandings. It's like giving your data a personal touch. And guess what? It's a social butterfly. It plays nice with loads of other apps like Google Analytics and ads. So you can pull in data from all over the places and turn it into something really amazing. Alright, now let's check out Fusion Charts, which is like a treasure chest for making your data look super awesome. It's not just charts, it's a whole library of JavaScript magic that helps you turn data into stunning visuals. Why do people love Fusion Charts? Well, imagine having all these different types of charts bar charts, line charts, pie charts, you name it and being able to dress them up however you want. Fusion charts lets you customize everything from how they look to how they behave so your data can tell its story exactly how you want it. And here's the cool part, it's like a chameleon. Fusion charts can work with lots of programming languages and frameworks like JavaScript, Angular, React, and so more. So developers can sprinkle this magic into their apps and make their data come to life in so many ways. Finally, let's take a peek at Google Charts, another powerful tool from the geniuses at Google. It's like a treasure trove of charts that you can easily customize and play around with to make your data look amazing. Why do people rave about Google Charts? Well, imagine having this toolbox full of different types of charts lines, bars, pies, and being able to add some extra flair with the cool stuff like animations and filters. Google Charts makes it all possible. So you can dive deep into your data and really get what's going on. And here's the best part, it's super easy to use. You can slide Google Charts right into your web apps using JavaScript. Plus, it's buddies with different data formats like JSON and CSV, and plays well with popular web frameworks like Angular and React. So, you got all the tools to create data magic at your fingertips. Now let's talk about why these data visualization tools are like superheroes for making life easier. First up, they're decision making champions. When you can see your data as pictures, it's like having a secret power to spot trends and make quick decisions. Next, they are the masters of communication. They take all that complicated stuff and turn it into simple pictures that anyone can understand. No more head scratching over spreadsheets. And guess what? They're like detectives too. They uncover patterns and trends hiding in your data that you might have missed if you were starting at rows and columns. It's like a shining spotlight on important stuff. Now, let's look at some of the coolest features these data visualization tools bring to the table. First off, they are like the artist's canvas. You can customize and tweak how your charts and graphs look. It's like giving your data its own style. Then, they are all about interaction. Think of it like playing with a really cool toy. These tools offer charts that move and respond when you touch or click them. You can explore your data in all sorts of ways just by playing around. And lastly, they are team players. These tools let you share your visualizations with others and work together on understanding and using the data. It's like a group project where everyone gets to add their ideas to the mix. Alright, now we've reached the end of our journey through the world of data visualization tools. Remember, these tools aren't just cool gadgets, they are like magic lenses that make data easier to understand and work with. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or anyone curious about data, these tools are your secret weapons. They help you see things in your data that you might have missed and guide you towards smarter decisions. So, go ahead and dive into the world of data visualization. Unlock those hidden insights and make those game changing decisions for your business or whatever you're into. These tools are your ticket to a whole new level of understanding and success. Thank you.